I just received this Cuisimax hot plate and I'm excited to try it. It's all stainless steel and let's unbox this. Comes with an instruction manual, safety sticker here, and I love this. Look at that. It's beautiful stainless steel, so easy to clean. It heats up really fast and you can put any kind of cookware, cooking plate on this. This is 7.4 inches. And here's your knob, just one knob, easy to use. So let's plug it in and give it a try. Okay, so I got this water pot boiling in no time here, and it's a good sized pot to put on this element. Again, this element is 7.4 inches large, and you can go all the way maximum to 11 here. I like this stainless steel. This does get hot, so you don't want to touch it, and easy to clean because it's stainless steel. Perfect for a side pot away from your stove in case you don't have space on your stove, or you can plug this in outside, bring it camping, and you have an element ready to go. I highly recommend it, and thank you to the brand for sending this to me.